Hi, this is Dennis from Hawkbait Loft, Chico, California. It is around 6:30 in the morning. I'm about 5 miles from my loft. I'm going to give my 2008 young birds their first toss from this distance. It's actually their first toss. And we'll see how they do here. I'm getting ready to let them go now. Here's the first box. And they're off and running. Wonder if they know where they're going. There they are up there. Coming over the top, getting ready to release the second box of birds. Yeah, there they go. Ooh, pull it up, boy, pull it up. And they're up. Okay, boys and girls, you ready to go? And here's the third box of birds. There we go. Get the row, boys and girls. There they go. Well, they're off, and so am I. Until next time, this is Dennis from Hawkbait Loft. Bye-bye.